Chapter 7. Make a new start. When we would look in the mirror of this ever-changing life through the eyes of being that eternal drop and child of light, we would see space and air filled with microscopic life form, all moving and constantly changing. We would see that not only in nature everything constantly changes, including mountains, crystals, rocks, and the entire planet, but also in the concrete jungle made by man, every molecule and particle of what we think is solid is also constantly changing. We would see that we ourselves and others and everything inside this human body and externally being physical human beings is as well constantly changing. We would see, even looking into a physical mirror, that what we see is constantly changing, likewise inside the inner mirror. We would see that inside the unconditioned, unconnected and unassociated mind, the universal mind reality, everything still constantly changes. We would see that inside our personal, familiar, conditioned, limited and associated mind, and all our realities within created by ourselves, including all our such-called stabilities, securities, routines and habits, that they too are constantly changing. We would see that any thought, belief, feeling, emotion and desire is constantly shifting and changing. We would understand that everything is from the world of concepts and descriptions, and all of them are incomplete, and that any truth is merely a truth, and not the truth, but all still part of the ever-changing. We would see that each moment in time is a sum total and conclusion of all that what happened before, and an experience just for that moment, a moment that would end, and a new moment that would appear. Nothing is ever the same, and there are no two things created alike, although often tasting, smelling, feeling, or looking alike. All is still part of that ever-changing adventure called life in Crystallia the creation, and a projection from within our own personal and limited mind reality.